The 50-year legacy of University of Illinois Extension's Master Gardener program is rooted in helping others learn to grow. From urban centers to rural villages, Master Gardeners are committed to enriching the lives of others, creating community connections through hands-on gardening workshops, sharing science-based gardening education, partnerships with schools and youth programs like 4-H, to feeding and supporting healthy communities. Their leadership and community garden projects not only enhances neighborhood beauty, attracting pollinators and community members, but they also support the environment. Their impact makes gardening knowledge accessible, educating others on the art and science of gardening. With momentum for the future, they continue to eliminate participation barriers and reinforce the Master Gardener mission of helping others learn to grow. Are you ready to join the Master Gardener mission